guys, we're at the caves. Here we are at Caves Hercules Caves. Awesome. So we're going to go in and we'll see what's what, right? Good.
Look.
Okay guys, we're on our way inside to the caves, to the Hercules Caves. For those of you who don't speak English, we will put subtitles in this part.
Yes.
And if you don't speak English, you probably don't understand what I just said, but you'll see the subtitles.
Yeah.
Okay, in we go. Selfie, everybody's taking selfies. Very important.
Look at the tree. Managed to grow inside the cave.
Amazing, no? Where does he get its water from?
Well, I suppose underground.
Yeah.
Water.
I guess,
Yeah,
yeah.
nature is amazing.
Oh. Are these, like he's selling those. That's not part of the cave.
No, yeah, he's selling. Well, that's Hercules with a mask.
Nobody. So we're going in and nobody asked for money. I'm pretty sure we went in the paying way.
I suppose the payway is where that guy was selling things because they had like a...
Well, it's very interesting. Like you have an entry that you have to pay and an entry that you don't. There are no signs which one is which, and apparently everybody's going in the freeway. So it's very interesting concept.
We had a small crash.
So it's a bit dark in here. I don't know if you can see anything because after all it is a cave.
Yes.
And
Well, we have, but the floor is like it's not cave.
no.
It's
And
man-made.
we'll get to the light over there and maybe we can show it. No, you can see it. You can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what, like Roman style, no?
Yeah, it is. But it's you have a lot of people selling stuff.
Well, not a lot, but yeah, people are selling stuff. And
And we found the next selfie spot.
oh, this is the famous spot.
Yes.
Yeah. So apparently this is the most important picture to take in the cave in Hercules Cave. We'll go over there. People are taking selfies here, so we'll try not to. So like I said, this is the most important picture to take. A video, everybody's taking a picture here. We're sending postcards of it here. But it is very nice. You want to jump in?
Why not?
Okay, let's see what's there. What? So a lot of local people also come here. This is a very big attraction. There aren't many tourists in Tangier now, but apparently this place, well, it's not full, so it's very comfortable. It's nice for us, but there are tourists here. Taking selfies, taking pictures, enjoying everything. Happy.
See, those are carvings. Those are not natural carvings.
So you think this is man-made?
Yes.
Let's see over there. I think we can see it better. So I guess this will be sort of like a virtual tour of the cave. A little fall.
Well, it's not that you can see very well then.
Well, it's my fault. I wasn't really looking. Let's see what's over there.
Let's see if we're lucky, and when we come back there won't be so many people standing on the selfie spots.
No. This spot will always have people standing in it.
زيدوا هنا اجوا هنا
Okay. We didn't bring the stroller, so
No.
we're a little bit complicated here to
Yeah.
keep Maya out of the frame. So
Yeah. But it's okay. She's also a bit sleepy, so she's fidgeting a lot.
yeah, she is.
So it's not the biggest cave in the world, but it is very nice.
It has a lot like cubicles, no? Like
Yeah.
small cubicles, maybe
Yeah.
maybe people live. I don't know. We have to check the story.
Well, we'll ask the taxi driver. Maybe he knows a bit of the story.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, generally this is our last stop, and from here we go back to Tangier.
Yes.
Um,
And tomorrow,
we're going to. No matter. We'll don't worry. We'll see you there tomorrow. It's the Blue City.
the Blue City. Yeah. Chef Shuan.
Chef Shuan. Oh no, this is a dead end. Yeah, we're not very good at remembering names of places or names of people. I'm pretty sure our driver's name is Mohammed, but I'm not sure. Yeah. So the name of this is Chef Shuan. That's for sure. It's the Blue City. It's supposed to be beautiful, and we'll be there tomorrow. Okay,
Well,
so
one thing is that considering how hot it is outside, this
Oh, you want?
cave is amazingly fresh.
That is true. Yeah.
Like all the caves, but
Yeah.
it's like
It is. And outside it's very humid also,
Yes.
and here it's
not
not.
exactly. Though we have the sea there, so
Yeah, but it is a cave. So I guess. Okay, one more time.
wow. See, wow, Maya, look at that. Wow.
Maya.
Myers. Myers. Shalom. Hello. Hola. Now the
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao. The water is very interesting, the sound. Yay.
Got it. So I think we're going to put this video out by lo siento. I think we'll put that video out by itself as a virtual tour of the cave because it's already running 12 minutes, so we'll just put it out as a one fluent video so you guys can just enjoy these caves. It doesn't mean you shouldn't come here. Being here in person is much different than seeing it on video, of course, and you should definitely come.
The smells in the video,
No,
the cool air in here.
And no, and of course you also get to visit all the other things on the way, which I think overall the journey is more enjoyable than the destinations. Yeah,
Yes.
even though the destinations are amazing and we're having a lot of fun, the journey itself is incredible.
Yeah, because you are able to see a lot of coast parks and parts of the country that you cannot see while you're in the city. So it's a really, really nice ride.
It is, and from my experience, taxi drivers are very local.
Yes.
Like when you get to talk to them, you get the local feel, the local information, and they're always very down to earth. If they're not trying to rip you off, and we have a good one.
Yeah.
So we get to talk to him. Luckily, he speaks very good Spanish, so we can communicate. You really should know at least a little Spanish or a little French to communicate with them because English doesn't
work
work
very
as well. What's here?
I don't know.
Oh, that's the other entrance. Okay.
I think they have like a show or something.
So I don't think they have one free one and one that costs for the same place. Like for the main rock, it's free, and for the special whatever they have here, you have to pay.
Yeah. But the selfie spot is in the free. The free one.
Okay, and our taxi driver is waiting for us, so we'll just do another picture here, show you the view one last time. Okay guys, so for those of you who was watching us until the end, it's 14 minutes in, so thank you very much for hanging in there.
Yes.
If you like what you see, we are going to post a lot of more videos. The videos are in 3 different languages, but each video is more or less the same as the one in a parallel language. We try to do them parallel to each other, so it comes out very similar.
Yes.
So you can choose which language you want. This one will be only in English.
Yes, because there wasn't time to.
No, we can't do it 3 times, go over the route 3 times. So this one will be only in English, but we will try to put subtitles.
Yes.
Anyway, it's a virtual tour, so you can enjoy it whether you speak English or not.
Exactly.
So if you do like what you see, we are going to post a lot of more videos from Morocco and from other places that we're going to travel to. So
Yeah.
please subscribe,
Yeah,
like,
comment.
and comment.
And try to keep tuned. We are having a beautiful adventure here.
Yes, we are. And I really hope that you get a little bit of the feel of how warm the people are here in Tangier.
Yes.
And if you have a chance to visit here, especially if you live in Spain or in Europe and it's not difficult to get here or expensive, you really should consider it.
Yes.
It's not expensive, it's very beautiful, the weather is great, it's not a third world country.
No,
It's
at all. People are super friendly and
respectful, and they love babies, and overall we're having a great experience so far. Okay guys, so we'll see you later.